Hey guys, so this is our official video of our 2019 changes for Imagine Play. So I jotted out some notes yesterday and I got this new planner, so I'm trying to use it as much as possible. I generally don't use planners anymore because I have a hard time keeping track of remembering to write things down and stuff like that. But the planner really is for me to jot down notes and things like that, so I was looking for something like that where to keep my notes a little bit more organized so I'm not like looking for them, especially during special events. Can you believe that it's almost like the new year already? I mean, it hasn't been in Christmas yet, so I know most of you guys are like still in the Christmas mode. The New Year's already coming up so soon, so I just figured that it'll be a perfect time to kind of start doing maintenance things and then talk to you guys about what we have upcoming in the 2019. Some notes here, the infant area. So some of you guys might have heard me hint that we are changing our infant area. Right now we have a very, very small one up front, and we placed it that way for a reason because we didn't want like kids who were riding on toys or something like that be running into maybe kids that are in an infant area. But we do have problems with the infant area. Generally that's not big enough, and two, it's not gated off, so a lot of the older kids sometimes likes to play in it. So we are changing our front party room. So if you've ever been here, we have two party rooms. This one is the one I'm sitting in here, which is our main party room. Most of the parties happen in here. But we're changing that small party room up front to an infant area. So it'll be for kids 35 months and younger. So basically it's like 3 and younger. So they have a place to go without having bigger kids in there, you know, to kind of help alleviate that problem as well. We got a really small play castle for it. It's already here. We have it stored in the back. We're just waiting for a few other things, mainly, you know, our flooring. The infant area will probably be rolled out before the new year, but there's other changes that are happening that probably won't roll out until after the new year. So I did get a couple of extra tables, extra chairs. So what will happen is once we move the infant area out, we'll move all the tables and chairs back, so we have less of the problem where the kids are climbing over the wall. And then we're going to probably extend our play area where the pirate ship is out a little bit more, and put more mats there and move some of the other like activity tables over to that area. So it'll make it a little bit more streamlined as far as like eating area versus, you know, play area. The main play area, what is happening in there? We got a little climbing structure with slides, has tunnels and things like that for the main play area. That is going to go in the back where the vet is. Also have a little fire truck that's a soft play that is going to be go alongside our fire, a little fire station. You know how our fire station has like a burning building? So then that fire truck will kind of go somewhere near there, so that way the kids can pretend to ride the fire truck and save the burning building. We are changing some of our party packages because we're losing that front party room. So really the front party room right now, what we use it for is to utilize booking a party back to back, because we generally need like an hour to kind of turn over a party for the next party coming in. And when we have several parties trying to book that same day, we alleviate that problem by booking one party in one room and then another party in another room, so that way we don't run into that problem where we're cleaning up one room while another party is coming in. What we're going to do to help with that problem is do table reservations outside in the main play area for about 5 kids or less. So we'll do a little table reservations, and each table reservation will have a small little party package with it, but it won't be something like huge like if you were to book a main party like here. What are we bringing back for the next year? I guess that's important because most of you guys want to know kind of what special events we're running and things like that, so you can kind of look forward to all that stuff. So definitely during the summer we're going to run art camp. We have an art camp coming up in a couple weeks for winter and Christmas. So if you're looking for something for your kids to do during winter and Christmas, you don't know what to do and you want to drop them off for a few hours, we have art camp happening there. You can look up for that on our website, or you know, on our Facebook. Our Facebook is usually the easiest way to look at the events. I have to tell you, I'm sorry for you guys that don't have Facebook. So we will be running art camp during summertime. Again, it was very successful last year. We'll probably do a couple extra ones this year. Upcoming special events. So I haven't announced any of the special events for January yet. I feel like it's kind of too soon because you guys are just thinking about Christmas and you're like, oh, I'm already moved on to January. But I think in the next couple weeks I will be announcing some January one. In January, we will be doing a unicorn party again. The last 2 were really, really fun. I felt like the last one was a lot more successful than the first one. The second one, we really work out all the kinks and try to, you know, streamline a little bit. So the third one's going to be even better. So I haven't done a video for the unicorn party yet, and I will post one soon, so that way any of you guys that haven't attended can see kind of what we did on the last one. And then if you would like to join us for the January one, then definitely buy a ticket. I also kind of want to do a Beauty and the Beast day. We have an awesome Belle costume, and I do have plans to be hiring more people that do specifically just certain characters. And I don't know, I just think it will be a really fun day. We might do a tea party style. We haven't done a tea party in a while, and our tea parties are just so much fun. So I think that it would really work great for like a Beauty and the Beast day to do tea party style. Definitely in March, we are going to do some sort of mermaid pirate thing. It might be a little bit different than what we did last year, just because we got our pirate ship in March, and I just kind of want to do some sort of like anniversary party for our pirate ship. Other things that might be coming up, I know somebody asked for PJ Masks. We do own one of the mascots for that, so you know that's not a problem to do it again. I probably want to announce it maybe January, February, somewhere around there. I'm like full of ideas. Do you guys ever watch Shark Tank? I love watching Shark Tank because of all the cool ideas that people come up with, and you know I wish that I could just sit at home and just be like a professional idea person. As time goes on, you know, hopefully some of those ideas come out into fruition, and it will make 2019 even better for us. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I only did this video in one take, which I'm very proud of myself. Okay, well, I will talk to you guys soon.